Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you. Yes, good day everyone. Go by name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, you seeing this video is because you want to learn how to make money online from home, even as a beginner. Yes, in this video I'm going to be teaching you step-by-step method that I'm using to make thousands of dollars weekly online from ClickBank affiliate marketing, and you can also do the same even as a beginner, because I have a complete video course which I've recorded which will guide you step by step on how to go about it. Yes, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. Commission, I made a percentage from the total price that you sold the product. For instance, if a product costs $100, your commission on it can be $15 or $20. So the higher the price of the product, the higher your commission. Also, the higher the number of products you sold per day, the higher your commission per day also. So and there are conditions to consider or things to consider for you to become a successful affiliate marketer. And one of it is that you need a strong backup for your affiliate traffic. Yes, people that are going to be accessing your affiliate product are going to be buying your product online. So we have two major ways by which you can get people to access your affiliate product online. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is a method by which you create adverts on digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or other digital platforms. You pay for adverts, you create adverts for your products, and you select targeted audience that are going to be seeing your affiliate product. Another method is the free traffic system, which is the one I'm going to be giving you now. I'm going to be showing you how I am earning this beautiful amount of money you can see on the screen. Yes, as a affiliate marketer, I am also a software developer, and I've developed several softwares over the years that has been helping me to make sales and to get targeted traffic to my affiliate product. And presently I'm working with a software which generates more than 2,000 organic traffic daily online and promotes your affiliate product with this organic targeted traffic for you to get commission. Yes, so my software is up for sale now, and you can always get it to get started on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, my software works with any affiliate marketing platform. Is it JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Shopify Store, any affiliate marketing platform, you can use my software for it. And that's the good news about my software. So to get my software and video course and start any big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text on Telegram to the number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to the number you can see on the screen now to get started with my affiliate software. Also, I've recorded a complete video guide to guide you step by step from signing up on ClickBank to registering and to selecting products, and I'm going to teach you in my video course. I've recorded it step by step method which you can use my software to earn on any affiliate marketing platform. Yes, so to get started, remember you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text on Telegram to the number you can see on the screen. Thank you. Once again, I go by the name Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Thank you.